Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what is the Windows switcher key on your Lenovo Chromebook. So first let's check where it is, and it's this key right here above your 6. So now if we press on it, we'll see something like this, and if we have no recent items opened, and that means apps or browser, this will show up. Here you can press on this plus button to add another desk for our laptop. Now let's press it again, go back to desk 1. You can do it multiple times with these desks and open something. So I'm just gonna use Google Chrome now. Now press Windows switch key again and we'll see our Chrome right here. And then the same goes for the desk. Here let's open for example Google Play Store and press this key, and that way we'll see that on desk 2 we have Google Play Store and on desk 1 we have Google Chrome. Now if you want to merge them, you'll need to turn off one of the desks like this, and that way they'll be merged, so the open things that were open on desk 2 will move to desk 1 and etc. So here you can also rename your desk. So for example, if you're working, you can call it call it workspace and have only work apps open, and on the other one you can name it for example games and have only games opened. So that's how the Windows switch key works on a Lenovo Chromebook. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.